Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on a Realme phone using 3 easy ways. So let's get started. Let's start with the first method. The first method is using the buttons. Then just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for a second. Once you do that, the screen will flash and the screenshot will be captured. Now let's move to the second method. This one is even easier and uses a gesture. Simply swipe down with 3 fingers on the screen. As soon as you do that, the screenshot will be taken. Finally, the third method is using the Quick-Menu button. Open the screen you want to capture and swipe down from the top to open the Quick-Menu. Then tap the screenshot button, and the screenshot will be taken instantly. After taking a screenshot, you will see a preview on the screen. From there, you can edit, share, or delete the screenshot. All your screenshots will be saved automatically in the gallery. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.